Hello guys, this is going to be a very short video. I'm going to demonstrate one of the strategies that I normally use, particularly on Boom 500. It's a good strategy, though no strategy is 100%, but it's quite more than 90% accurate. Of course, you'd have to still exercise risk management where necessary, and I'm not saying that you won't lose trades using it, but it's quite a good strategy. You'll back test it and you'll still practice on demo before trying a live account. Before we start, please share this video, subscribe, and then also hit that notification button, because there are still a lot of videos that I'm going to post on different strategies. I've been trading boom and crash for quite some times now, close to a year now, and there are a lot of things that I've realized that I'm going to share in the next day. So subscribe and click on the notification button so that you may be notified the next time I post a video. So today we're just going to look at this one for boom and crash, but particularly we are on Boom 500. So we are going to trade on 5 minutes time frame, and the simple strategy is just we are going to trade RSI. So I'm going to add this relative strength index here, and then it's on period 2. The levels is 3. Here I can say buy. So it's level 3 and 97. Buy, and then here sell. Yeah, so that, and then you pick whichever color that you want, and then there it is. So what I do is I wait for my RSI to come to level 3. Once it comes to level 3, that's my buying position, that's my buying area. So I buy there, and then sometimes it goes for a long time. Like, let me see a scenario where you buy and then it actually stretches out, crosshair, like almost here. So it touched the level 3 here. So what you can do, you can hold until it spikes, or you can just hold for 3 candles. If it doesn't spike 3 candles, and then you leave it, and then you wait for it to make the first spike. After it makes the first spike, you enter, knowing that where it's coming from here is definitely going to spike more than once. So you can wait for it to make the first spike, and then you can enter on the second spike, because you will not know when exactly it will spike. So this is what I do. As soon as it reaches 3 here, as soon as it passes, it touches the level 3, I enter my trade. Stretch the screen a bit. So as soon as it touches the level 3, I enter, and then what I do is at the expiry of every 5 minutes candle, at the expiry of every candle here, what I do is I enter another trade. So say I've entered a trade here, and then when that candle expires, I enter another trade. Here. So every 5 minutes I enter a trade, and then when it booms, it will cover either maybe the first two, the last two entries, and then maybe overall will be profit. Even if the other one is not in profit, I can still close, or I will or sometimes it even booms to an extent that it covers all my entries. So that's what I do mostly for for boom 500. So I wait for it. It needs patience. You need to wait for the RSI to come down there. So you still have to exercise your risk management. If you feel you can risk only $5 per trade for a small account, you can still risk $5 per trade. If it goes over $5, you can leave, close your trade, and then wait for it to make that first spike. Mostly it works more accurately with the boom, but even on crash 500, it does work. Like 5 minutes. Okay, like cases like this one here, you see, you would have entered maybe here. This is what I was talking about. You would have entered here, and then this crash here, it was long, but it did not cover all the entries. This one here, you entered on this one, and then it crashed 5 candles later, which is after 25 minutes. So which means you would have entered 5 times, and then maybe it covers only 4 entries, but still the overall will be profit. So you look at the overall, and then you can close, or what you do, you can still close and then you enter more trades, but you wouldn't know if it will come back. So the best part is for you to close and then wait for other entries. Like here, make another entry again. It touched level 97, sorry, and then it crashes. You come here, it makes a small one, you can exit, and then it goes there. Now it makes a bigger one. So this is what I've been using, of course, with other strategies, but this one can also help you. But exercise risk management. So it's RSI 2 on 5 minutes. So I'll share more strategies that I've used, that I use even now, because this is not the only strategy that I use. This I've used since last year. I use it sometimes, but it's not the only strategy that I use. So I'll be sharing some of these strategies that I've used on boom and crash. So subscribe to this channel, and please click on the notification button. Share this video with others. Thank you very much.